Application, I will give two things like how to run hello world. Sir, hello world Japana. Hello love Sama. Okay, very simple thing. I will say you to take a text field and a button. When you click on that button, how to perform some event. Clear? I will demonstrate that. What to do for that is that create file, view, new project. Give your project name, simple button event. Okay, and here is a company name, it's your wish, and here where you want to store that. Here this is a place that where you are storing. I am storing that in my Android applications. In that I am creating the same, the application name. Clear? Now I am saying next. Here you need to select which API you are using. Now I am using API 23, that is Android 6.0. Now I am going with next. Here you select empty activity and then say next. You can mention here what is the activity name. Say finish. Now the project will be opened. Here you will be having your application name actually. The application name here is apps. Now I am opening new one. Since I given here simple button event, it given in the same way. Now two things are opened here. And here let me explain this one now. Here this is an application. Here you can have different way of seeing a project. Select that Android and you can see here in app we have subfolders. It's a griddle. The griddle is nothing but it is a build tool which makes the project to be in the form of APK format. Okay. Now here in manifest file, the manifest file is a boss of this application. What are the activities we are going to run? Which activities should be executed first? What permissions you can take, all such things is included in manifest file. If you want to use camera, if you want to use internet, and so on the things, the permissions will be included in this manifest file. Now here the resource folder is there. It contains again different subfolders. The images are stored in drawable, and here bitmap will be like icons of the application. The values, again it contains like colors, strings and styles. Let me leave it presently. Now let me discuss regarding the layout. And in Java there are three folders. In that the first one. Let me discuss regarding these two. Here the layout. What this layout contains is that here actually this Android works on the format of MVC architecture. That means now this is the activity that what our mobile will be showing. It's a view. And when you perform any events on this, what to happen, that we write in Java in the first folder com dot the package name dot application name. In that the activity, it's a Java file. Here we will be writing the code that what will be happening when you perform any events on the activity. Now let's suppose let me create a new one. Since it is an, let me show here, it's a design view and it's a text view. This is nothing but constraint layout. Okay, don't go with the constraint layout at the beginning. Let me go for new one. New. Again I'm going with layouts. In resource we have layout. Click on that. New resource layout file. Give here as like button demo. Should not give any capital letter one. Let's suppose if I am giving capital, it says should not use the capital. Activity. Now here don't forget to give as relative layout. You need to select relative layout. I'm releasing one. Now click on OK. One activity will be opened there. Here see. It is nothing but palette. You can see all the widgets, and here nothing but component tree. That means whatever that you added, that tree will be showing here. In this palette, let me say I will drag a button here. Okay. Now, here you'll be having some attributes. What's attributes is different properties that you set for a particular widget. Let's suppose I want to change the name here. So here there will be a text. What you can do here is that you click on here and say text. You can see here button. I'll say here click here. It was changed. Click here. Okay. Now in this way, if you want to change the font, let's suppose size, font size here. Displays all size here. Okay. Text size. Click on here. You should give us SP. Okay. And for text, you need to give us SP, and the button size all that depends upon dp. Okay. Let me give us 20 SP. The font is increased. Or if you want to change to still 30 SP, still decreased. Right? Now let me take another one here. Let me take text, plain text, or let me take text view. Okay? I'm taking a text view. Let's suppose again how I can set the size and all. Type here size, text size. Here some 40 dB or sorry 40 SP is the text size. Clear? If you want to make this to be covered till complete this view, what I can do is that in layout, width and height, two things are there. In width, select parent match parent. Therefore, it completes move to here. And let me say this complete. It is setting out. Nidra we know. Now, when you click on this button, what I want to do here is that I want to display here saying that click here button clicked or button clicked. I want to just give a message here. What I did is a design. Now what I do is that I need to move to this activity in Java activity. Clear? Now what happens here is that it extends app compatible activity, and whenever the activity opens, this on create will be executed. Here what you need to do is that, see here, activity underscore main is synchronized here. I am setting that, see, R is a class which contain all the IDs and all related information will be stored in R. In R, you can see here layouts. In layout, what I want to do for button demo, the content what I want to show is button demo underscore activity. What I did here, I have set the, actually this Java file will be executed first. When it executed, which view should be shown to the output? That I can demonstrate with the help of this line. Set content view. Which view I should show? Here I am saying r.layout.button demo underscore activity. What is button demo underscore activity? Is in layouts I have this thing. Clear? Now, when I click on this, what should happen? How to write that is, now select, see here, select this one, and same way you can see here in relative layout added button and text view. Clear? Now for this button, when I click on anything, what should happen? Then I am writing. You can search here on click. On click. Now here I write code saying that button click. What I given name as button click. Now let's suppose if I want to change anything to this one, I should be able to identify with the help of ID. So every person will be having a particular name. In the same way, every component will be having an ID. I need to set the ID. How I can do that? Again, go to this attributes. Just in the top you can see ID. Text view. Okay. Text. My text view otherwise. My text view is an ID. For this text view, I am giving an ID as my text view. Now what I need to do is that I need to move for this Java file. Here you need to write a method. Public void. What I given as So let me come back here. When I click on this, what should happen? I given an on click event. What's the name here given is? Button clicked. In same name I should write in this Java file. Button click. And what parameter I need to give as view parameter? View. Okay, ma? If you get any error saying a red color, click on here and give a control space. It gives an intelligence that what you need to import. Whenever you are using a class name which is already existing in a package, what you need to do? You need to import them. Yes or not? Therefore, I am selecting Android.view. And what will be affecting here is that you can see at the top. Okay. You can see here as this is added. Clear? Now, when I click on this, how I can get the reference is what it is. It is a what it is? It is a text view. Therefore, create an object for that. Text view. Some TV equal to what I should do is that I should say find the view by ID. Now, where it will be, as I said you that R is a class which contains all the resources. Okay, in that I want to refer this. How I can identify? Using an ID. Yes or not? Therefore, here I should say as r.id. My text view. Select that. Now, what happened in this line is that I got a reference of my text view and a reference stored in text view. Versions doesn't need, but older versions need it. Now, what I can do is that TV is a reference dot set text. I will give button clicked just now. I'll give a message. Clear, ma? What I did? I am revising again. I am creating an activity. When I am creating activity new, I said layout resource file. I need to select. Very important thing is that I need to select here relative layout. I need to give the name, and it should not be capital. Everything should be in lowercase. When I say OK, after filling that, an activity opens. You can drag and drop the things, whatever the widgets you want, and you need to give the ID for everything. And since I want to, when I click on this button, if you want to do perform anything, I should write on click. Okay, and the on click whatever text you given as button click. Therefore, in activity, to make sure that which activity, which view should be focused, I should say set content view r.layout. Why I am specifying as layout here? Because the layout files are written here in layout folder. Hello, you in layout folder. Therefore, I am saying r.layout.button demo underscore activity. Then, as I said you that when I click on this, what should happen is I written as on click button click. The name was given as button click as C is capital. Same way, go to the Java folder and write as button click where C is a capital. Don't forget to give as a parameter as view. Clear? Now, when I click on this button, this code will be executed. What should happen here is that I need to get the reference of this text view. Therefore, to get that, I am saying find the view by ID, r.id. My, since it's referring with ID, I will say id. My text view. Can you close the door? I got a reference here. Now I am saying TV, the reference variable dot set text button clicked just now. Clear? That's presently. Now what I need to do is that here logcat is available. Bottom. When you open this, can you see this? Here logcat. When you click on this, your node device is connected. Just take your mobile, connect it here. Now for the first time, what I should do is that 1 minute before that. When you want to execute, what you need to do, I am explaining here. I am taking off my mobile reference. See, when you connect the mobile here, just with the cable, my mobile was selected here automatically in lock cat. When it is selected, that means that my mobile is connected successfully. I need to go, for the first time, I need to go to the settings, go to the bottom, about phone, here, 8 times, 5 or 8 times, whatever it may be. When you click on that, it displays a message saying that your options. Okay, in this, what you need to open is beginning, it will be like this one. 1 minute. When you click on this and about phone, and when you click on this, sorry, 1 minute. Yeah. Again, I'm explaining you how to do for the execution part. You need to go for your settings. Click on the settings. Go bottom. In about phone, you can see that there will be a build number option. You click for 8 times. Then what you can see is that build number, click on that, and then the number options will be displayed. Go for that, select on it, and then go for USB debugging on it, and then go and connect to the cable to the system, and here you can see lock cat. Before that, it will be like this. Here no device will be displayed. When you click on when you connect your mobile to the computer, it selects here automatically and some message will be displayed. It's going displayed. Then select run, select your mobile, say OK. Your Gradle build starts here saying that Gradle build running, and it says installing application APK, and finally you can see that your application will be working here. When you click on this button, you can see button click the just now. Okay? Now, if you want to say, when you click on this, you want to say hello world. What should I do? I should go for this Java file, and instead of saying this button click, I will say hello world. Clear? Again say run. Wait, and you can see that your application will again start running. It is building, application starting, launching activity. Click here. I said hello world. Here is a way how to execute. And in the next video, I will say how to use a text edit and get the information. Okay? Happy. Yeah. So here, what I want to do is that I want to add another text view here. Edit text. And what I want to do here is that I take an edit text. Whatever the content that what I enter here, when I click on the button here, the information that what I entered should be displayed here. This is a task. Okay? Now, how to do that is drag this plain text here, and you can even have a settings here. Attributes. What the text should be displayed by default is empty. Therefore, I am removing this as name. Then go for the layout build and you say build match parent complete will be filled up. Then you can drag the button a little bit down. And what are the content that what I type here? When you click on the button, this matter same it should be reflecting here. Then now to access this data here, I need to use an ID here. Edit text. Otherwise it's a my edit text. So just OK. My edit text is the name of this text. This is nothing but edit text. Now go for this Android, this Java file. Get the reference of that. Now what is the widget? It is nothing but edit text. Releasing edit text. Go here, get a reference as edit text, et or edit text here equal to find the view by ID r dot. I am referring to the ID. Therefore, ID dot my edit text. I am getting reference of that. Now I want to get the text of that. Therefore, I will say string str equal to edit text dot get text. Now, what you can see here is that when you say control space, it use what it is written editable. It's a class. I want to convert into toString. Therefore, I will say dot toString. That will be converted. The text whatever is available in this text view. Since I am getting the reference of the text view and I am asking get text and convert into toString. Now instead of saying hello world, what I do here is str. Here I want to get any information like given text colon plus str. Clear? Now what happens is that the content that what I give here, when you click on this button, the same information will be displayed here. Okay? Now I am running this application. I am opening this mobile. I am saying Gradle build running. It's finally installed this application into this mobile. I am using 3.0.1 Android Studio. Now and you can see the application will start installing. Indexing, installing APK, launching activity, finally slash. Now I am saying hello world. Type using this one. Okay, I can even type that. Now, when I click on this button, it uses given text is hello world. Okay. If I say sorry, the application is simple button demo. I'm saying okay. All the best. On this, you can see okay, all this. This is a way how we can do it. It's very simple one. You need to create a layout with a relative layout, write the Java file, and when you click on the button, your on-click activity attribute should be given. The same name should be given here, and you can get the reference of that particular widget, and whatever you want, you can do here. Don't forget to give set content view r dot layout dot the activity, the resource name. Okay, this is the way you can do. All the best. Carry on.